We are here at Herndon Senior Center, and we had our Lunar New Year celebration that was put on by Silver Lights Senior Association. They did different performances that involved different types of dance that align culturally with Lunar New Year, as well as certain solo songs and singing as well. So a lot of singing and dancing.
Silver Light Seniors Association, the intention was to help the newly immigrants, Chinese seniors. They get these people together and start more structured activities. So that's how Silver Light started. And we, in the past 20 years, there are so many activities, programs, and all run by volunteers.
Well, these programs really offer such joy for the folks who are celebrating them. They spend such a long time, it gets them moving and gets them active, it gets them out of their house. And then it gets other people to come in and watch it, which is also another benefit. And we can all grow and learn from each other, which is something that we really strive for here in our community.
For our member, they knew we have this event. So they will spend months just to prepare. That really occupied their time. And for the community, we got more and more requests that, hey, what are you doing? From our website, from people, friends. So they got some influence, and the names is out to get more people to join. And the only purpose is just to have the seniors, they have somewhere to go and do something. And that's the only purpose for Silver Light. We have our website and gradually want to reach out more to more community. Thank you.